Europe here in the 1960s. He saw the potential of the local clay and the local soil for pottery production. That's why he set this up as an alternative livelihood for the community. There's three kinds of pottery. There's earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Earthenware is low-fired. Stoneware and porcelain are high-fired. We specialize in stoneware. We fire at 2,350 degrees. From the mountains, we get the clay tested at that temperature. If it's good, we get it in bulk, soak it in water. We sieve it 4 times until it goes through a very fine mesh. When it goes through there, it's very, very watery. We have to drip dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks. Ganito ang itsura niya. Pakita po namin ang paggawa with the demo fee of 200 for the whole group. Tapos kung may mag-hands-on, 100 per head. Okay po ba yan? And the pressure from the hands. Once it's centered, everything starts with a cylinder. To make the cylinder, I have to pull the clay from the bottom to the top gradually, using pressure from my left and right hand. My hand should be the one controlling the clay, not the clay controlling my hands, to keep the shape for it not to collapse. This is the very basic shape. From here you can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. At this point there's more pressure from my inside hand, pushing it outwards, supporting from my right. At this point, pressure from my right, pushing it inwards. Then outwards, pull it at the top to make a vase.
Wow!
Pwedeng maging water jug by putting a spout like this. That's all I can do right now. I let it dry for 5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom, then we dry it for 1 month, air dry only. Put it in the oven for 12 hours of firing. Maghintay po kami ng 2 days of cooling down. We bring it out, then apply the glazes. After glaze application, we have to cook it again for 14 to 16 hours of glaze firing in order for the color to come out and for it to become shiny. Kasi po hindi pintura na apply natin, makikita na kagad ang kulay. Kailangan pong iluto para lumabas ang kulay niya. Kaya very safe po siya for food containers. They are microwavable and the color doesn't fade. Sino pong gustong madumihan? By pressing 2 thumbs.
Oh, my love!
Press down, slow.
My darling! I'm hungry.
Alam ko mabubuo ni Joshua.
Oy, may lumalabas!
Sige, press mo lang down.
Nakaiba yan!
Parang
Joshua,
Now go outward, separating your 2
nakaiba yun
thumbs.
ah.
Okay, release your hands. Wet your hands again. Dito lang, iganon mo lang. Huwag mo alisin yan. That's it. One hand in. I have to assist you at this point. I'll let you do it later on your own. Don't push it too hard. We get the clay from the bottom. Bring it up. Dahan-dahan lang. Walang thumb. Huwag mo gamitin yung thumb mo. Paakyat. Paakyat. Okay, all your fingers, ha? One more time. All your fingers. We get the clay from the bottom. Bring it up. Slowly lang and gently. Hindi masyadong malakas ang pressure. All the way to the top. Hawakan mo sa labas. Slowly, go up. Slowly, when you get to the top, hold. And then release sideways. Release. Sideways, pag ganon. hindi pag ganon. Dali lang. Wag. Dali lang. I-center ko lang muna ulit. Kasi pag nag-wobble na siya, walang magagawa. Wet your hands again, please.
But can you make it like from the scratch again after you build something like that?
One try lang to.
One try
But
lang.
we can, yes, when we can.
Yeah, we can.
That's
we can,
why what we make, we can recycle.
Okay.
So one hand in,
There,
please.
yeah, it's
Ganito.
recyclable.
Sa pinakababa. Hindi. Put your hand down like kanina para ikaw na ang magano. At the very bottom, please. Yan. Now, push it out and then up. Walang pressure sa labas. Support lang sa labas. Kasi basic shape mo yan. Ang beginner shape bowl. To make a bowl, push mo from inside. So, start at the very bottom, push it out, and then all the way to the top. All the way. I-hold mo. Pagdating mo sa top, i-hold mo lang na ganon. Tapos, release. Yan. All the way to the top. Sige pa. Hold. Release your hands. Press down. Go outward, separating your two thumbs slowly. Yeah. Release your hands, please. Release. Wet your hands again. At this point, Mom, I have to assist you one hand in. To get the clay from the bottom. Huwag mong gamitin yung thumb. Paakyat po tayo, Ma'am. Dahan-dahan lang. All the way to the top. Hold one more time. Go down. Get the clay from the bottom. Bring it up. Slowly lang po.
Number 5? Hindi. How about you?
All the way to the top. Hawakan mo sa labas, Ma'am. Hold it. Cup it together. And then slowly go up. All the way to the top.
Kailangan mabasa.
Wet your hands again. One hand in.
O, diba parang pag...
So, support lang po dito sa labas. Push it out. Slowly go all the way to the top. Sige. Walang pressure sa labas. Support lang siya. Guide mo lang siya. Sabayan mo lang sa loob. Paakyat.
Watch ka lang ng
Hold. Huwag niyong i-release ka agad, Ma'am. Para hindi siya ma-off center. Dahan-dahan po pa. Up, 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 up. Slowly. Slowly. Slowly and gently.
Sa shape, ayun na.
Shape mo yan.
Dahan-dahan lang. Huwag mong dahan-dahan lang kasi very, very thin na siya. Sa loob naman, paloob. Ay, sa taas, paloob.
It's a jar.
Sa labas, slowly lang. Just be gently and slowly. Go up, look. Just to get, wag mong squeeze. Just to get the center na siya. Wag mong squeeze.
Meron ko kung ano klase.
Release your hand.
Gusto ko.
Yan na ang, ano nyo, kasi very thin na po siya sa baba.
Sino?
Sino pa?
Palaparan niya
Mommy, you can dry your hands there. There. There.
Ma'am, dito.
Ang lamig.
Now go outward, sideways, please. Yan. Sige pa. Release your hands, wet your hands again. One hand in. Huwag mong gamitin yung thumb. We get the clay from the bottom. Bring it up. Slowly lang po.
No, go faster.
Up, 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 up.
You should try
One more time.
I go up, 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 up.
Go up slowly. All the way to the
I
top.
go up, 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 up.
Release your hand. Wet your hands again. Okay, go. Push it from down and then up. Walang pressure sa labas. Huwag mong kontrahin yung pressure sa loob. Push it out and up. Sabayan mo lang sa loob. Very good. Hold. Release your hands. Put your hands again.
Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Weh!
Sa baba. Push it out. And then all the way to the top. Walang pressure sa labas.
Maliit. Si Uy, mahilig sa maliit. Aso. Ayaw sa...
Then go outward, separating your two thumbs. Release your hands. Wet your hands again. Ganun lang ah. Ayan. One hand in. Don't use your thumb. You get the clay from the bottom. clay and then go up slowly all the way to the top.
Ang galing niyo, Ate Kay.
One more time. Get the clay from the bottom. Go up slowly all the way to the top. Release your hand. Wet your hands again. Now, push it from in. And then support here. Huwag mong gamitin tong thumb. Push it out. And then all the way to the top.
Doon po sa kayo. Sa kung nakita niyo.
Very good. One more time like this. What we can do is push it from down, go outwards. Tapos ang mag-work naman sa top is the pa-inwards naman para parang pang teapot. Hawakan mo dito. Sa labas, all your fingers, i-cup mo siya. Go up and then fold, hold. Release your hands. Yan na ang
Wow, that's so
masterpiece.
nice.
Diba? Bakit yun sa inyo? Hindi ano.
Bakit sa akin? Hindi ganyan.